A big thing is, what do you do with used, dirty diapers? Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Katrina and I make motherhood, lifestyle, and cloth diaper videos. And today we are doing a cloth diaper routine, which was actually requested by somebody on Instagram. So if you haven't followed me yet on Instagram, I encourage you to go over there and follow me. I will leave a link in the description down below. I usually will ask questions every now and again and get input from you guys as well on videos, cloth diaper videos, a bunch of different things. Just a little disclaimer to remember that this is what I do. This is not necessarily what you have to do or you should do. Always remember to do what's best for you and your family. So today I'll start with how many diapers we have currently in our stash and what kind we have chosen to go with. We currently use one size pocket diapers. If you are interested in learning more about different types of cloth diapers, check out my episode 1 of the cloth diaper series. It tells you a bunch about all different types of cloth diapers. With our pocket diapers, we have a stash of 28 diapers. The more diapers you have, the less you need to wash them, but we currently wash them every second day. Right now, we are also doing elimination communication potty training with Elise, so we are just using 5 to 6 diapers a day. Every now and again, we will use less if she goes mostly on the potty. For diaper storage, this is totally up to you, like where you want to keep your diapers handy. It depends on your setup for your diaper station. We used a wardrobe that we had and changed it over into a change pad inside the doors. So the best way for us was to just keep all of the diapers stored in the top 2 drawers of that wardrobe. It made it nice and easy to just grab a diaper really quickly, put it on, done. But again, you can really do whatever works best for you. That is completely up to you. There's lots of Pinterest ideas on how to store your cloth diapers. A quick overview of how to put on a pocket style cloth diaper. You want to make sure that the back part of the diaper sits just above their hip bone. Once that is in place, you want to bring the front up and pinch the front so that it ends up in their underwear lines. We'll have less leaks that way. After that, you will pull the front side wings down, taut over their hips. Pull the back wings up and over and secure the bottom snap first. Top snap does not have to be in the same position so that you can give room for the tummy, but you still have a secure diaper. You want to make sure it's snug, but no pinching or bulging. Check to make sure that there's no space around their legs as well. And also the back part of the diaper shouldn't be digging into their skin. It should just be sitting snugly against their back. You should be able to put your fingers in the front because if it's tighter, then it's going to be digging in more in the back where the elastic is. A big thing is bum creams. You have to be careful with bum creams and cloth diapers because you can't use petroleum products with cloth diapers because the petroleum will repel and that defeats the purpose of a cloth diaper. You want it to soak up everything. So make sure you find a bum cream without petroleum. We use the Earth Mama Organic Diaper Balm. It does not have any petroleum in it and it works great. I've had amazing success with that. That's the only thing we've ever used, so I personally really love that. All right, what do you do with used dirty diapers? Let's start with the easy one. Pee diapers. Super easy. You just unstuff the pocket diaper and you throw it in your diaper pail, wet bag in a diaper pail, simple cleanup. For poo diapers. Everybody thinks poo is very scary. I can tell you, poo is really not that scary. If you are exclusively breastfeeding your baby, meaning no formula, no food, no nothing, only breast milk, then their poo is water soluble. You do not have to rinse off the poo from the diapers, you can just put it in the wash. However, I still rinsed all the diapers off because I just wanted to. Once baby has formula consistently or is eating solids, you do have to rinse the poo off the diapers because it will not wash away in the washing machine. So a couple options is to just swish around the pocket cover in the toilet, spray it off with a shower head, or what we did was buy a specific sprayer that attached to the toilet. Now let me tell you, that sprayer has come in handy a lot more than just your poopy diapers. So if you're thinking it's a little expensive, believe me, once you start potty training or even just trying to rinse something off, then it has like a good amount of pressure behind it and it is really useful. So once you've sprayed off or swished around your diaper from poo and there's no longer any poo on it, you can wring it out, make sure to really wring it out, and then you just put it in the diaper pail with the wet bag in it. Or a wet bag. You get my gist. Another option is something that we also used was bamboo liners, and they are biodegradable. The ones we have say that you can flush them. I don't recommend flushing any sort of liner. We would put the liner over the pocket diaper and she would poo on that, and then we just put it in the garbage, and it's biodegradable. And sometimes, even with using liners, there would be a little bit of poo that would leak onto either side, or she'd be sleeping and rolling around and the liner would move around so it wouldn't hit just the liner. Totally fine. Then you just put the liner away in the garbage, spray it off, you're good. Another tip, if you are spraying off diapers, get a diaper shield. Now, we cheated a little bit. There's no rule against cheating. We went to the dollar store and bought a cheap garbage can, and we just cut the bottom out of it, bought a couple clips, and voila, there's a diaper shield. Never the thing that everybody is a little scared about is the washing. I feel like the reason I was the most scared about it was because there was so much information online about washing. I am not going to break it down crazy today, but I will give you a quick overview of what we do. Remember, for everyone it's very different. So for us, we washed every second day. You can go longer, but you need a bigger diaper stash. So you just need to factor that into cost. We currently pre-wash in cold water with no detergent, so basically rinse. Then once that's done, we do a full wash in either warm, hot water with detergent. I also use a little bit of OxiClean every single time. We were using 7th gen detergent. We are using a different one right now. I might go back to the 7th gen. Once that's done, we put the diapers in the dryer on low to save the elastics from too much wear and tear. Now, if you have stains, try to refrain from using bleach. It's not super great for the diapers. Something that works very well is just putting them out in the sun. The sun bleaches out all the stains easily with no hassle. For us, it's a little bit of a challenge because we do not have a backyard, so we will have to go to someone's house that we know who has a backyard and lay our diapers out there. But none of our pocket diapers have stained, so I think we're okay to not do that for a little while yet. But hanging them outside to dry also makes them smell a lot better, and it gets a little bit of that buildup stench that can happen. It's very minimal. Ours still doesn't have a buildup yet, and that's been using them for 5-6 months now. If you do hang your diapers to dry, try to hang them so that the weight of the diaper is not on the elastics. Then the elastics will also last a little longer that way as well. You can also do a combo. You can put them in the dryer for a little bit and then hang them for the rest of the time. Okay, the big scary, what happens when I leave the house? Well, not scary. All you have to do is take a wet bag. We have 3 small wet bags. We just put the one in the go bag, and when there's a dirty diaper, we just pop the dirty diaper in there. Done. You do have to carry around the dirty diaper, but it is in a bag and it cannot touch anything else. Wet bags are also great for like if you're going swimming. You can put your bathing suit in there or a towel, or if you have spit up clothes, dirty clothes while you're out, you can just plop them into the wet bag and then it's not going to touch anything else. Sometimes I bring 2 along just in case. 1 for diapers, 1 for random dirty pieces of cloth. And that's pretty much all you need extra on top of going somewhere. Of course, you need to bring along diapers, but I'm pretty sure if you have disposables, you have to bring along diapers anyways. So same thing, just cloth diapers rather than disposables. I think that is it. If you need more info on cloth diapers, I will leave a link to my cloth diaper series down below. Thank you again so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video and some past videos. I will catch you in the next one. Bye.